This out. You're looking at a custom 8 bottom grill. This one here is 925 sterling silver, and it has those nice diamond cuts with the diamond dust finish. Makes it really pop nice. Here's the back side. Now you can choose how many teeth you want. This is an 8 bottom, but you can get it for the top teeth, bottom teeth. You can get other combinations, 4, 6, 8 teeth. It's up to you guys. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. All right, you get free shipping in the US, quick service, beautiful handmade grills designed to fit perfectly. Check us out, blingcartel.com, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.